Hey there, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own website. And I'm going to show you all the process step by step. This is AI era, so we are going to actually choose any of the free AI. So we can generate our website for free also, and you can use the premium or paid version also. So we're going to talk about both AI, the free and the paid AI. Then we're going to select that what kind of website actually do we need. Let's say we have framework, and then we have CMS also, content management system. Then we have website builders. Then we have static site generator. So which one actually you need? So if you are a beginner and you are looking for a job, you want to you are fresher and you want a portfolio site, let's say. So you can go with a static site, right? You can actually generate a resume site. You have no experience, so you don't have to change anything in the CV, every day. You can go with static site. And we have CMS like WordPress. Let's say you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the WordPress, and then what you need in your website, you can actually drag and drop it. And we have website builder like Canva. We have Wix, Shopify. Through this, you can actually generate static website also. And then we have framework. Now let's say you have a business and you want to create a website for the business. So you can actually go with framework like Laravel, like Django. Okay, now you have to select which one actually you want, and after that we're going to go with the AI. So you can go with the free one and the paid one. So the free one is the best free one is open code CLI. You can install it, and then you can give here a prompt, and then it will generate the whole project for you. And then you can go with cloud code CLI if you want premium website. Now let's go for the framework. So if you want to continue with, let's say, Laravel, PHP, or let's say Django, what do you have to do? You have to actually at first install AI. Okay, and then you have to give the prompt to the AI, and then AI will generate the whole project for you. Now let's say I want to generate for free, so I'll go with the open code CLI. And now at first I'm going to show you how you can install open code CLI. So let's go to the terminal. In your case, if you're from Windows, let's go for the command prompt. Okay, press Windows key from your keyboard and then type CMD, run it as administrator. Here we're going to install open code CLI through a package installer, and that is npm. So you have to say npm I for the installation, -g to install it globally, so that you can access this command line interface AI from anywhere in your PC. Let's say you want to create your project in a specific folder, so you can open terminal there and then open open code CLI, okay, command line interface AI. So that's why we are going to use here -g to install it globally. Then we have to say open code, okay, open code -AI add latest. Now this is for the Windows user. Now let's see you are from Mac, so you have to actually remove this at latest, go at the very beginning, and here you have to say sudo super user do npm I-g open code AI. Now make sure you have Node.js installed in your PC, otherwise you cannot actually run npm here. So go to the browser and go for the Node.js. Here you can see nodejs.org. Click here download, select the version which one you want to go with, then download this and install it in your PC like other application you have installed in your PC. And after that you can use npm here. So if you run this command, then you can install open code CLI. I'm assuming that you can do this. Now let's open code CLI in a specific folder. Now you have to select the framework, which framework you want to go with. Now you can go with PHP, Laravel, Django, anything. Let's say I want to go with PHP. So to go with the PHP project, you need to have a server in your PC. For the PHP, you have to have a server, and for the database, you have to have another server. So we're going to use MySQL, let's say, and then we are going to go with XAMPP, because XAMPP will provide us two servers. One is for the PHP, that is Apache. Another one is for the database, that is MySQL. So let's go for it. Go to the browser and go for the XAMPP. Here we go, apachefriends.org. Now click here download. It will take you to the download page. From here we are going to download the latest version. According to your operating system you can select, but select the latest version. Then download this and install it in your PC. Now go to the XAMPP control panel. So we have a different way to go to the control panel. In Windows you have to actually go to the XAMPP control panel. So press Windows key from your keyboard, then type XAMPP control panel, then you will find XAMPP control panel. But in macOS we have to go to the applications at first, and then XAMPP folder, then manager OSX. So double click on the file, give your password. Here you can see control panel. From here we're going to start Apache and MySQL both server. They are running. Now let's go to the htdocs folder, and here we are going to create our project. Because it's a PHP project, so we have to actually keep them inside htdocs. Let's create a new folder, and it will be any kind of project. Let's say you want to create a blog website, so you can actually name it blog-ai. Maybe you can generate a e-commerce website, so you can say here e-commerce, okay, -ai. Just mention the name and then -ai. This is not necessary. You can give here any name. Let's say e-commerce -ai. This is my project, and I'm going to go inside the project, and here I have to open terminal. In Windows we have to press in the address bar here like this. So we have to say here cmd and then hit enter, then command prompt will be open here. But in macOS you have different way to do this. You just have to select the folder where you actually want to open terminal. So right click on the folder and then new terminal at folder. Here we go. We are inside e-commerce AI, and here we are going to open code you have installed. So open code, hit enter. If you write open code and hit enter, there will be open code interface. Here you can see we're going to skip it, the update, okay. And here we have to mention what I want. Now I want e-commerce website, right? So I'm going to mention here that I want e-commerce website, but before that I need to generate a prompt. So to generate a prompt, you have to go to the chatbot like ChatGPT or any other chatbot. Go to the chatgpt.com, and here you have to ask for a prompt. So I'll say I want a professional prompt open code CLI. Now it will give me a professional prompt. Here you can see you are a senior PHP full stack developer, build a modern, okay, fine. Now we are going to check that if it is actually mentioned database name MySQL or not. So database user table. So let's go with this. So I'm going to copy this and go back to the terminal. Here we are going to paste it. So you cannot paste it through your mouse. You have to press Command plus V. If you're from Linux, Control plus Shift plus V. If you're from Windows, Control plus V. Okay. Now hit enter. Then you don't have to do anything. Rest of the work will be done by this AI, and it will clear the whole project for you. So I will show you the project real output, how it will look like. For now, I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll back. Welcome back. Here you can see it complete the whole project for us. Now we are going to go with the local host e-commerce index PHP. So let's go there. Here we are going to paste it, and here we go. This is our website, and we have here cart option, log out. Let's log out, and we have login option here, so we can actually log in through this credential. Password is admin123, admin123, login. And now let's so this is our website. Here you can see. Now let's say I want to click here shop now, and these are all product. I can actually add to cart. Your cart is empty, continue shopping. Item is not added in the cart, and there is no dashboard for the admin. So it will solve the issue. And what you have to do, if you find any kind of error, you just have to mention here, and then it will solve the issue. Now if you want a professional one, you can actually go with Cloud Code CLI. We have a bunch of different videos on it. We have a series tutorial for Cloud Code CLI. We have generated a bunch of different projects through it. You can check our AI generation playlist, and I will add it in the I button, okay, or maybe in the description. So check it, okay. We got here the solve. Here you can see it solved the issues. Now let's go and check once again. I want to actually refresh this. Now I want to go for the login, and I want to log in as admin. Here you can see this is admin dashboard. You can see this is admin dashboard, and pretty simple, right? Because this is free, and if you want to generate a professional one, you can actually generate through it. But here you have to actually play with your prompt basically. So yeah, that's it. Now I want to log out, and I want to check that cart is working or not. So I want to add it in the cart. Here you can see added. Now let's go for the continue shopping, add to cart. This one here you can see added, right? And we can remove from here also. No, remove is not working. Now what you have to do, as I mentioned, you just have to mention here that remove if I when I actually press remove button, the item is not removed. Okay, so you have to mention here like this, then it will solve all the issues. I hope you understand. And like this you can generate a fully functional website. And as I mentioned, if you want a professional site, you have to actually go with Cloud Code CLI. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.